Morning, guys. No, it's not morning.
It's a little dark out. It's like 7 o'clock at night.
All right, let's retry it. All right, hi guys. We are Deborah and Tyler. You know, we've been traveling the world for the last year, stopping at McDonald's along the way. And this week, we've made it to Scotland McDonald's.
They didn't have a lot of different items, but they did have a whole menu that was different.
We're super excited to share with you guys Scotland's vegetarian McDonald's menu.
I'm excited. It looks good.
We are actually pretty excited to try a no meat menu today because we tried haggis this morning. It wasn't good. The first one is a Smarties McFlurry.
I love Smarties in the US. I hope it's good.
I hate to burst your bubble, but I looked at the Smartie McFlurry. I think it might be an M&M McFlurry.
Oh, what?
Because it looks like chocolate inside.
That's not what Smarties are in the US.
So here's what it looks like. I'm pretty sure... Oh!
You're dripping it.
I'm pretty sure that's chocolate.
That is chocolate.
We also have to go clean that up now.
All right.
Back.
Before we keep going, I want you guys to vote who had to clean up the mess and who had to grab the paddles.
Ever since we did our Korea McDonald's, we created these paddles. Thumbs up means we like it. Thumbs down means we don't like it. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna try what's left of this. Maybe a Smarties McFlurry? Maybe a chocolate McFlurry? 3, 2, 1. What?
I wanted a Smarties McFlurry.
It's literally an M&M McFlurry.
For a Smarties McFlurry, I was ready for Smarties.
Second on our vegan, vegetarian McDonald's try here in Scotland. These looked really good compared to some of the other veggie options. Veggie Dippers. We got the sweet and sour sauce. Hopefully I don't drop this one.
Three, two, one. It was like curry and breading.
It tastes very similar to the McDonald's food we had in India, which was also like veggie. It just tastes like a bunch of mush.
Yeah.
I really had high hopes because they looked really good. They smelled really good. They weren't really good.
No, they weren't. This is the Spicy Veggie.
Wrap, I think.
It looks like it.
Oh, you guys, they have Monopoly right now.
Do you think we're gonna win?
This is my favorite part of any McDonald's is when they have Monopoly.
Oh, no winning.
Just properties.
All right, now we can try it.
Spicy veggie wrap. Oh, what is that sauce?
Try it.
There's like salsa, tomato, lettuce. I really don't want to try this.
You got it.
The dippers were not great. Better than haggis, I guess.
Yep. 3, 3, 2, 1. That was terrible.
It was so bad. And then at the end, I like inhale the spicy part. It's not that spicy.
No, it's not spicy. It's just weird.
It's just that veggie. It's so mushy.
Not good.
Not good. I thought I was gonna love all this stuff.
We got some apples and grapes. I don't know how you can go wrong with this.
They better be good. Cheers.
Oh.
You.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1. That was a very good like palate cleanser.
Delicious, very crispy, way better than the veggie stuff.
Yep. This is our last big veggie item. It's a McPlant.
McPlant burger. I really have zero hopes right now. I'm scared to try. It has tomato, lettuce, a slice of cheddar cheese, onion.
All right, 3, 2, 1. That was very, very good. It was just tasted like a burger.
I don't know if I would typically give it a good rating,
No.
but compared to the other veggie options, that was really good. It tasted like a regular burger in my opinion.
That one was good. I would recommend the McPlant if you're going for anything veggie at Scotland McDonald's.
We only have 2 things left.
Dessert. I'm gonna try the chocolate cookie.
You almost dropped the chocolate cookie.
I'm sure they're at other McDonald's, but this is all they had left.
White chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate chunks. Cookie.
3, 2, 1. You didn't like that?
I didn't.
Why didn't you like it?
It was very like, not like soft chewy. It was very like hard chewy.
I still liked it. That's all right. That means I get to eat that. I'm okay with that.
All right. Very last thing on our Scotland veggie McDonald's menu today is some kind of berry muffin. This was the other thing that they gave us because they ran out of the original thing we ordered. I love muffin tops.
Yeah, she ate it all.
It's just like the only part of the muffin I like.
3, 2, 1. You didn't like that one either?
No!
Oh, I liked it.
I'm gonna have apples and grapes for dinner.
Oh, that's lucky you.
The flavor was not bad. Again, very just like gooey sticky.
Yeah, see, that's the type of muffins I like.
That's all we have for you guys today. If you haven't already, make sure to go check out some of our other McDonald's video, or if you're interested in Scotland, go check out our road trip little series that we have, because honestly, it is one of the most beautiful places we have ever been. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to subscribe to see the next McDonald's we go to, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.